What's going on, guys? It is Raj here, and today we are going to be recording our AirTag unboxing with, of course, the leather keyring. So, to start with, we are going to be unboxing the leather keyring first. Looks like it's just a nice little pull tab here on the back. Perfect. And then we just have to pull up on this little paper insert here. Alright, nice and easy. And there we are. That is the keyring right there. Alright, then we can just take that out like so, and it looks like this is just basically a plastic insert here, so, or not plastic, but paper insert here with no documentation of any kind in the box. Yeah, it looks like it's just that basically. Actually, wait, you know what? No, there is some documentation. Looks like this is the only piece of paper you get in terms of that warranty information. But yeah, other than that, that's basically it right there. Alright, and then just taking a look at it, it looks really nice, I will say. I decided to opt for the midnight color of it, so yeah, looks pretty cool. And then, of course, it's just a nice little button system here, so you just have to take the button out like so, and this little paper insert just comes right out. And then your AirTag would basically go right in that little slit right there. Well, yep, as you can see, this is also the stainless steel ring right here. So it says designed by Apple in California, and it is apparently assembled in Thailand. So, interesting. And then, of course, there is the little loop there. And then this button just snaps back into place like so. So, yep, that's the keyring. Alright, guys, looks like we now also have our AirTag. So, of course, here is our keyring right here for it. I'm just going to open this guy up. That way we can, that way we can put our AirTag in here. Alright, here is our little AirTag. And I'll just toss that box down there off to the side. Alright, and then going on the back here, we just have a tiny little pull tab, just like the key ring. Then all we have to do is just open this guy on up. Alright, perfect. It is a little difficult to do with one hand. Alright. Now, let's get that on out of there. Looks like we have a couple more pieces of information here. So before we get to the main event here, looks like right here we just have the warranty guide, and then right here we have the regulatory compliance, so those two things can be set off to the side. And then here we are with another thing here, the safety and handling. So those packets can be set off to the side there. And of course, right here, we have our itty-bitty little AirTag. So then right here, it just says to update to iOS and iPadOS to the latest version, and then to pull the tab on the AirTag, which is located right up here. It also says hold near to the device and follow the on-screen instructions. So what I will do is I will also set this up on camera, so you guys will see that as well. Alright, now we are going to begin the setup process here for our AirTag. Moving that aside, as you can see there, I have my initials engraved onto the front of it, so looks very, very nice there. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus here. But yeah, either way, looks fabulous. Now, let's activate this guy, shall we? As you can see there, there's the stainless steel dome on the back. Then we are just going to gently pull up on that. And then we just have to eject. Then there is the tab. Here we go, AirTag. And this is going to be for my keys. All right, and then it is connecting. Perfect. So it is now complete, and we are now going to put this little guy in its little cubby here. So to put the AirTag in the key ring here, you're going to have to line it up with the button here, and then slot it in place like so. And then I'm just going to straighten it out here. But yep, that's just how you do it. And then you just snap it shut. And then as you can see, that is the AirTag in place. So if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.